Namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena. Today I will discuss about when a Trojan attack will happen on your computer. What are the indications? What indicate will tell you yes there is a Trojan attack on your computer. Okay. So how are you guys today? Let's start. When we are using internet, we are browsing so many websites, we are surfing on different links, clicking on the different links, and these links can be useful for us or can have malicious urls. So as per the report created by Symantec, internet security threat report, they are telling 1 out of 10 link is a malicious URL. Okay, and attackers using lot of emails to send the malicious URL to their target. Okay, so let's see how a attacker will create a malicious link, malicious software, that's a Trojan, and what are the component of it. Okay, with the help of the program or the software, attackers can create a Trojan packet. Means a Trojan packet is a collection of so many shareware or downloadable files. Okay, they can have multiple programs inside it. Once they will execute on the target machine, then they will perform the task whatever the attacker wants to do through those programs, or they can download the software whichever the malicious link given inside the Trojan packet. They can download the files, and whatever the instructions has been written inside it, they will start to perform. They can perform lot many things which I will discuss later. Okay, so in a Trojan there are basically three things that makes it. Okay, one is the main malicious packet, where the attacker will inside which task that he wants or she wants to perform on the target machine. Okay, and because he needs to present that file in a way that should look like a legitimate file. Okay, so a legitimate file that can be can have extension of the PDF, Word document, Excel, or image, or any game file, exe file, any it can be any file. Okay, and a dropper. So dropper will execute the Trojan packet which is having the malicious code inside it. These three files, they just wrap into a bundle which will for the target look like a normal file, legitimate file or executable file, but inside it's having a lot of small things which can perform a number of tasks for the attacker. Okay, and once that file creates, attackers will traverse or send this file via different methods, either through emails or via internet. They can send them. They will uh, make a trap. Attack sender or the victim will download that file. Okay, so once that file will reach on the target machine and the target will install it, so the dropper will execute the code which was inside the Trojan packet. Okay, and it will start to perform lot many things. Clear? Which In day 15 live session, I just discussed about how attacker can create a Trojan file with the help of the NJRED. Okay, once once the target will install that file on his computer, the code will be executed and the attacker will get control on over the machine. Okay, and he can perform lot many things, as you can see on the screen, like manager. So once he will he will click on the manager. So the link which was created by the Trojan, he can now see what are the files on his computer, which file they want to control, they can control. They can run the file, they can control the computer of the victim with the help of the remote control. They can control mic with their cameras or with the keys, and whatever the key the target will insert on his computer, they will get all of them. So how they are doing, they can make the change on the drivers, on the file of the on the registries, they will change the services, they can install another software which gives support to them to make that attack more dangerous or devastating. Clear? Multiple things they can do. And once the attack will happen, what are the indicators that we can observe can happen after the Trojan attack? That there are first of all, there can be some obvious, or there can be some covert, means they conceal the movement of what's going on. Okay, so there can be like your CD-ROM drawer will open or close by itself, and the computer browser will redirect you on the unknown pages. Okay, chat box might be display on your screen and you will get some messages, or the color of the windows will change, and or they can be screen of your computer can flip upside down or reverse way. Clear? Attacker can also change with the firewalls or with the antiviruses you are using, so they can stop them, so they get undetected by your services that detecting for the viruses. And you can observe unusual activity on your network. Maybe something is downloading or uploading with a high speed, but you are not downloading. Okay, or screensaver automatically it's changing, your movement of the mouse um, appearing automatically, or it just it's goes and just come, or the button of your mouse can be reverse, left button is behaving like right, right is behaving left. That can happen. Or your password of the account has been changed, or some unauthorized access you will observe. Registry will change definitely, because they will on the background they will make a lot of changes, so without changing registry that will not happen. Files, some new files or the folders will be created or deleted, you will feel, or some services running or stopped, or some device drivers are working, or other devices drivers are installed on your computers. So there can be multiple things can happen on your computer, and you can observe those things. If you have if you want to know what are the ports are open, because the port which are open on your computer, they will take advantage of them and will send the data from those ports, or whatever they want to forward on your computer, they can use those ports. So if you want to see which ports are open, or the what is the statistics going on your network, you can do with the help of the netstat command. Okay, so on the command prompt, we run it with the admin privilege and give it netstat / and question mark. It will show you whatever the possible parameters you can give, and you can get the desired result as per your requirement. Okay, for example, I have given here netstat -an, so it will show you show me how many ports are open, and my computer is having connections with which IP address is making the connection. Okay, so there can be multiple options. You can try by own. It's easy, it's not a difficult task. Clear. Other things what you can observe, you can observe in the task manager, or in the ms config file, as ms config you can run. With the help of that, you can see in the startup what files are running by default. Maybe when attack will happen on your computer, it's just start by on during the startup. Okay, so you can observe in the task manager, and if you have the knowledge of the registries where those things changed, or even there are softwares available on internet where you can change where you can see the registries which are not usually uh, used by the legitimate softwares. Okay, so you can you can press Ctrl R, and register editing, you can type, and you will get the registry where you can see whatever the changes happened. Okay, if you have the knowledge of registry. Without knowledge of this one, don't change it. Okay, otherwise might be you will feel yes, this is not correct file, but you don't have knowledge and you will change, so your computer will not behave whatever you want from them. So the registry is a really very powerful tool. So without knowledge, don't change it. Clear. Other things you can run with the ms info 32 in the run command, in the run, and over there it will open the information about the systems. Here you can see what are the drivers, device drivers are running on it, number of information, services, startups. You can see here lot of information. So from here you can observe which drivers are running. Maybe some drivers which are not usual, or should not be on your computer, that's also running. Okay, so you can observe the things from here as well. Other thing you can do by closely look on the services part. Okay, if you will find there are some services which you don't know what it does, so the description is given at that in the description area. You can read the description what the service mean and what it's doing. And if you have any doubt, or you find some suspicious services running, just uh, write the service name on a search engine and find out what that service mean. And if you find it's a unnecessary service, close it. Because unnecessary services which are not useful for your computer, that attacker will use for perform their tasks. Okay, so these are the things you can do to find out yes, there are some indications or the activities which are not legitimate are happening on your computer. Okay, and you can detect yes, there is a Trojan on your system. Clear. And guys, also check is your antivirus or your firewall is on, or whatever the antivirus is you are using, keep it update. Because um, whatever the attackers are generating, if that's definition in your antivirus, then definitely they can detect it. Okay, so just keep update your systems and you can save your data, your system from hackers. Okay, so you can follow me on cybersecurity prism page, and Facebook will send you the notification for the next live session, and share this page with your friends so that they will also get information about any updates which will come on the page. Okay, you can also follow me on uh, the cybersecurity forever group. Over there I'm forwarding a lot of valuable information, and the other members of the group, or the buddies who are just on the same platform where you are, you can discuss a lot of things with them on cybersecurity forever. Okay, so in the next session I will discuss about how to create a solid malware defense system. So lot of malwares are coming day by day in market, in the industry, and damaging a lot. So from your side, what defense system you can create to combat or to fight with them, and you can feel like, yes, I am a cyber warrior. So see you in the next session, and namaste. See you in the next session.